Imagine an AI that knows everything up until last year, but has no idea what happened this morning. This is the knowledge cutoff, and it's the wall that every major language model eventually hits. Our journey begins with the realization that even the smartest models are effectively frozen in time once their training ends. You can't just keep retraining them every day. It's too expensive and risks making the AI forget its older core knowledge. So how do we give an AI fresh eyes? The first breakthrough is called RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Think of it like giving the AI an open book exam. Instead of relying on its memory, the system acts like a librarian. When you ask a question, it searches a massive knowledge base, pulls out only the most relevant chunks of information, and glues them directly into your prompt. This allows the model to answer questions about today's news or your private documents without ever being trained on them. But reading isn't enough. What if the AI needs to do something? This leads us to tool calling. This is where the AI stops being just a talker and starts being a doer. By defining specific functions, like checking the weather, calculating complex math in Python, or searching for a product, we give the AI a digital toolbox. If you ask for a teddy bear near me, the model doesn't just hallucinate an answer. It recognizes it needs a tool, triggers a function to find your GPS location, queries a stored database, and then translates that raw data back into a helpful response. The final, most exciting stage of this evolution is the agent. If RAG is the library and tools are the hammer, an agent is the carpenter. Using a framework called REACT, Reason plus Act, the AI doesn't just follow a single instruction. It enters a loop, it observes a problem, creates a plan, takes an action, and then checks the result to see if it worked. If you tell an agent, "My teddy bear is cold," it observes the room temperature is 65 degrees, plans to fix it, calls the thermostat tool to raise the heat, and then verifies the room is warming up before telling you the job is done. But with great power comes the needle in a haystack problem. If you give an AI too many tools or too much information at once, it gets confused and misses the point. To solve this, researchers use tool selection or routers to narrow down the choices, and new standards like the Model Context Protocol to make sure different AIs can use the same tools safely. We are moving from AI that merely predicts the next word to AI that pursues goals autonomously.